Yo guys, so Dark Gaming in here with another video dito lang sa Car Parking Multiplayer. So ayun na nga, nagbabalik tayo. Pasensya na mga tol kung hindi tayo nakapag-video kasi alam mo na nga, busy. Tapos wala pang naisip na content. So yun lang mga tol, nag-post ako nito. Yan yung pinost ko. I-comment nyo yung mga EK nyo. Gagawin ko ng video. Ito nga pala EK ko. Open hold. Tapos mayroon siya dyan. Kung magagawa kasi yung color naman yung plate number. Yan. So simulan na natin mga tol. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets.
So yun na nga yun. Yun na lang yun, mga 4 lang sila. So yun, ang gaganda nga ng mga EK nila eh. So yun na nga lang, sana supportahan yung YouTube channel ko, Dark Gaming in here. Signing out. Peace.